Jai Hind everybody. So today I am taking some problems from exercise 12.2, the chapter areas related to circles. This is question number 5. Question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. There is an arc. Suppose this is the arc from here to here. This is the arc. This is the arc AB. This subtends 60 degree angle at the center. Theta is given 60 degree and the radius 21 centimeter. Radius is given R 21 centimeter. The question is this: find the length of the arc, okay, and the area of the sector formed by the arc, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. The first part is length of the arc. First part it is length of the arc is given by, this is the formula, pi r theta upon 100 degree. Pi r theta upon 100 degree or theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, you can use either of the formula. So what will happen? Suppose I am using this formula. Now put all the values here. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. What is the value of theta here? 60 degree. 60 degree upon 360 degree. Pi is not mentioned here. Just take 22 upon 7. Theta upon 360, 2 pi is 22 upon 7 and r is given 21 centimeter. Okay, when you will solve this will become 16 6 and 2. So 1 upon 3 it will become 22 upon 7 into 21. So simply it will come how much? 7 3 are 21, 21 will cancel out and it will become, this is 2, 1 upon 3, okay, 1 upon 3 it is, 22 upon 7 it is, and when we will solve this it will become 22 centimeter. So what will be the length of the arc? 22 centimeter. Second part is area of the sector formed by the arc. Second, area of the sector. Area of the sector, the formula is there. Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Theta is given 60 degree it is. How much it is given? 60 degree upon 360 into pi 22 upon 7 or r is 21 square. So now solve it. What will become? 1 upon 6 it will be, 22 upon 7 it is, 21 square means 21 into 21. So this will become 6, 21 or 6 to 22, 11 into 21. 11 into 21. That is 231 centimeter square. How? 7 6 are 42 and 21 2 are 42 into 11 22. 11 into 21. This is 231 centimeter square. And this is the third part. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. This one. Area of the segment formed by the chord AB. Chord AB. This one. This is the corresponding segment made by the chord. This is segment formed by the chord. So what will the area of this? Area of the sector is equal to area of the sector minus area of triangle. What? AOB. AOB. Is it here? Now just look at the triangle AOB. Okay. Now in triangle AOB, you are given OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. It is given. So therefore, what will happen? Angle OAB. Therefore, angle OAB will be equal to angle OBA. Let it is X. Let it is X. Both the angle will be equal to X. Now, in triangle AOB, using angle sum property. So what will happen? In triangle AOB, just look at all the three angles. X plus X, and this angle is given 60 degree. Their sum will be 180 degree. From here, we can write 2x plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, X will be 60 degree. What is the value of X here? 60 degree. Both the X's are equal to 60 degree. So all the three angles is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle, and area of equilateral triangle AOB. The area of equilateral triangle is square root 3 upon 4 into side square. So what is the side? This one OA, that is 21. Under root 3 upon 4 into 21 square. So this will become 21 square is 441 upon 4 into under root 3 centimeter square. What is this? This is the area of triangle AOB. This is the area of triangle AOB. And you have to find the area of the segment. So what will be this? Area of the sector minus area of triangle AOB. Now, area of the segment, which is minor segment. So what will be this? I have written here area of the sector, that is 231 centimeter square minus 441 upon 4 under root 3 centimeter square. Centimeter square. So when you will solve this will become 231 minus 441 into 1.7 and divided by 4. So this will be 231 minus, when you will solve this will come 100.25 into 1.7. So this will become 191 approximate. Okay, so you can say 190.95 it is coming. So when you will get 40.05 centimeter square. So what will be the area of this segment which is formed by the chord AB? That is 40.05 centimeter square. Is it okay? And now this coming to the question number 14. Question number 14 first. Take the correct answer in the following. Area of a sector of angle P of radius R. Area of a sector of angle P. Given, it is given sector angle theta is given P. And radius is given R. This angle is given P, this is radius R. Question is this, ki area of the sector of this one will be. Okay, so now since area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Radius is there. Theta is given how much? P. P upon 360 into pi into r square. Okay. And we have to choose the formula. Suppose we multiply this by 2. So what will happen? P upon 360 here. Okay. And we are multiplying with 2. So this will become 2 pi r square. This is the 2 which is multiplied in numerator and denominator. 2 is multiplied here and 2 is in denominator. So what will become? P upon, just combine them. So this will become P upon 360 into 2, 720 degree into 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. And this is your option D. This is your option D. Option D is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. Now this is question number 7. A chord of a circle of the radius 12 centimeter. The radius is given 12 centimeter and this is the chord AB. Subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. This angle theta is given 120 degree. Question is this, Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Now this is the corresponding segment formed, and you have to find the area of this segment. So what will be the area of this segment? That will be area of this whole sector minus area of triangle OAB. Now for finding the area of the triangle, I am considering this triangle, and this is my construction work. I am drawing OM perpendicular to AB. So what will happen? This angle will be divided. This will become 60 degree. Now in triangle AMO, just look here, AM upon OA, and that is this one, perpendicular upon base, that is sine 60 degree. So what will be AM? OA sine 60. OA sine 60. OA is how much? 12. 12 into sine 60. 12 into sine 60 degree. Okay. Similarly, we can find BM. This will be also 12 into sine 60 degree. Now length of AB, this will be is equal to AM plus BM, that is 12 into sine 60 plus 12 into sine 60, and this will become 12 plus 12, 24 into sine 60 degree, and then we can put the value of sine 60. Sine 60 that is 24, and sine 60 degree is under root 3 upon 2, that is 12 into under root 3. This is the value of AB. What is the value of AB? 12 under root 3. And OM upon OA. Now, and again in triangle AOM, what will happen? This OM upon OA, base upon hypotenuse, that is cos 60 degree. And cos 60 degree is how much? 1 upon 2. Therefore, OM will be equal to OA into 1 upon 2. What is the value of OA? 12. 12 into 1 upon 2, that is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. What is the value of OA? This is how much? 6 centimeter. Now area of the triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB, that will be equal to half into base. What is your base? AB. And height is this one, OM. Put the value here, 1 upon 2. AB is how much? 12 under root 3. 12 under root 3. and the height is how much? 6. Height is 6. So when you will look this, 2 6 is 6, 6 6 is 36 under root 3 centimeter. So what is the value of area of triangle? 36 under root 3. 36 under root 3. We can write 36 into 1 point, just put the value up to 2 decimal place, 1.73. So this will become 62.28 centimeter square. 62.28 centimeter square. Now area of the sector. Now area of the sector of circle, that will theta upon 360, theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 120 degree here. What is the value of theta here? 120 upon 360. Pi, it is not mentioned, so you can no, yes, pi 22.7 and r is 12 square. R is 12 square. So this will be 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 and into 12 into 12. 12 into 12. So this will become 3 4 the 12. 22 upon 7 and this is 12. 3 4 the 4 into 12. Just multiply that. 88 upon 7 into 12. So this will become 12 8 is 96. 12 is 96 and 9. Is it okay? 12 8 is 96. There is 9 and this. Now divide it. 15. 7 is 105. This 6 is 0. 7 8 is 56. 7 8 is 56. And 4075 this centimeter square. What it will be? 150.85 centimeter square. Now the area of the corresponding segment. Area of the segment. Now area of the segment, that will be area of the sector of circle minus area of triangle AOB. So what is the area of this one? 150.85 minus area of the triangle AOB is 62.28. Now subtract is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. This is 10. 10 2 is 8. And this is 14. 14 minus 6 in 88.5 centimeter square. Now this is question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. कोई घोड़ा है ये किसी पैक से यानी खूंटे से बांधा हुआ है किसी स्क्वायर गार्डन पे, जिसकी साइड कितनी है 15 मीटर, बाय मीन्स ऑफ 5 मीटर लॉन्गर रोप। 5 मीटर जो है 5 मीटर जो लंबी रोप है उससे क्या किया है, उसको एक कॉर्नर पे बांध दिया गया है। तो दिस इज द square grass field, okay, and offside 15 मीटर। 15 मीटर जो है साइड है इस आपके स्क्वायर फील्ड ग्रास की। इसमें एक होर्स बांधा गया है वन कॉर्नर पे। सपोज होर्स यहाँ पे बांधा गया है एट दिस कॉर्नर बाय मीन ऑफ 5 मीटर लॉन्ग रोप। ये यहाँ पे जो है 5 मीटर लॉन्ग रोप से एक जो है होर्स बांधा गया है, ठीक है। तो जब होर्स जो है घास चढ़ने की कोशिश करेगा तो देन इट विल कवर दिस एरिया, इट विल कवर दिस एरिया। तो दिस रेडियस इज हाउ मीटर, दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ द रोप, दिस इज 5 मीटर, 5 मीटर। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज दिस, द एरिया ऑफ, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द पार्ट filled in with the horse can graze. The first part, area of the field, area of the part of the square field in which the horse can graze. So that is this area. How much is this angle? 90 degree. 90 degree. यानी area of the sector is equal to area of the sector of circle of radius 5 meter and the center angle theta is 90 degree. So just put the values. That will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree upon 360 degree. Pi you can take how much? In the question it is given 3.14 and r is how much? 5 square. So you can calculate this 1 upon 4 into 3.14 into 5 5 ja 25. So when you will solve this, you will get 3.14 and divide this 4 6 ja 24. When you will multiply this, you will get 19.625 and this is meter square. So this is the area which can be grazed by the horse when the rope is 5 meter long. Now question is this, second part, कि find the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Now area grazed by the horse when the length of the rope is equal to 10 meter. Now the length is taken 10 meter. So in this area the horse will graze. So what is the new radius, that is 10 meter. So area grazed by the horse when the length of the rope is 10 meter. So that will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here we will take this greater r. So this will be theta is again 90 upon 360. Pi is given 3.14 into 10 square. So this will become 1 upon 4 into 3.14 into 100. So this will be 4 into 25. 3.14 into 25. Just multiply them. 24, 100, 100. 35 is 5. And 25, 75 and 78. 78.50 meter square. Is it okay? So what will be the area grazed by the horse when the length of the rope is 10 meter? That will be 78.50 meter square. And what was the previous area? This was this 19.625, and the new area grazed is 78.50. Question is this: find the increase in the grazing area. Now increase in the grazing area. So that will be this new area grazed by the horse 78.50 minus the old area grazed by the horse 19.625. When you will subtract, this will come here. Here we will put 0. 7. 50. 15 minus 6. That is 9. So this will become 14 minus 6 is 8. And this is 8 minus 9 is 8. And 6 minus 1. 58.875 meter square. So what is the increase in grazing area? That is 58.875 meter square. Is it there? Now this is question number 9. A brook is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. This is the brook. This is the brook made by the silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. This is the diameter of the brook. The radius R will be, the diameter was 35 mm. 35 upon 2. Any 17.5 mm. 17.5 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. Now these are the 5 diameters. First, second, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, these are the 5 diameters. Okay. The question is this: the total length of the silver wire required. First part. Total length of the silver wire required. So this is the total silver wire from here to here. So this is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, or plus these are the 5 diameters, plus 5 into diameters. So this will be 2 pi r plus 5, and the diameter is 2 radius. So this will become 2 pi r plus 5 to the 10 r. 10 r. Now put the values, and pi is given here. Nothing is given here. So you can use 22 upon 7. 2 into 22 upon 7 into the radius is this 17.5 plus 5 into 2 into the radius is, or you can simply do this, 5 to the 10 we have taken here, na? So we can write here 10 into what is the radius? 17.5. So this will just divide it. This is 44, 22 is 44, and this will 2.5 plus 10 into 17.5, 175. So when you will multiply this, so 20, 40, 100, 110 plus 175. This will become 285 mm. So what is the total length of the silver wire? That is 285 mm. Now the question number 2. Find the area of each sector of the bruise. How many sectors are there now? Just look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sectors are there. So now sector angle will be, the whole angle is 360 degree, and one sector is there. We have to find the sector angle for one sector. So this will be 36 degree. Is it okay? What will be the sector angle? This one. This is the sector angle. So this is 36 degree. Question is this: find the area of each sector. Now, area of each sector will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta you have taken here, 36 upon 360, pi is 22 upon 7, and r is what is the r? This one, 17.5. 17.5 whole square. So just solve it. 36 upon this one. This will be 1 upon 10 into 22 upon 7 into 17.5 into 17.5. Now just solve it. This will be 1 upon 10, 2.2, 2.2, 7 divided 2.5, it is 2.5 into 17.5, 17.5. Just multiply them. This will become 2 When you will divide this, you will get 422 plus 55 into 17.5. 55 into 17.5. So just multiply them. 17.5 into 55. You will get 5 is 25. That is the 7. This one again. This is 5. This is 7, and this is 8. You will get 5 here, 2 here, 6 here. This is how much coming? 96.25. 96.25. This is the calculation. So this is 96.25 mm square. So this is the area of each sector. How much? 96.25 mm square. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.